All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're back for the final installment of the top websites where you can watch anime for free, completely free, and also legally, because these are all just free ad-supported options available on premium streaming services that are available in different parts of the globe. So with that, today we're going to start things off with the website ABEMA TV, which from what I was reading is a Japanese website. And this particular website has a section here on the sidebar that's just called free. And a lot of the content here is in fact anime. And they have a whole selection of newly arrived videos and series that you can watch for absolutely free that are just ad supported. You don't even need to log in, including the latest One Piece. There's more ReZero, and whatever this Spirit Wolf Fox is. There's some other TV shows in here, but they also have a dedicated anime section, which is full of this month's recommended anime that is all available for free. And all the episodes in each one of these sections is available for completely free. These are like full seasons of different shows. So you can check those out here. And they do change month to month. They rotate these. So there's always something new for you to watch that wasn't available the previous month. So the next one is the ADN website, which I believe is French. It stands for animationdigitalnetwork.com. And this one has a very similar selection of free anime that occasionally, or at least according to them, occasionally gets cycled out for new stuff. These are things like Fairy Tail, Naruto, Boruto, Initial D Overlord, High School DxD, Assassination Classroom, and more. So you can check that out. You don't even need to register with them in order to watch those for free. After that, we have the shout-tv.com website. Just over here is just Shout. And this is got a whole bunch of different shows that you can watch. But one of the things that you can watch is a whole section of anime. You just have to click on their TV section, go to anime, and then they got a few ones here that you can watch. And you can watch these entire seasons for free. I do think you'd end up having to sign up for free in order to watch these. But, I mean, that's a low barrier to entry in order to watch them for free. After that, we have RetroCrush.tv. This is just RetroCrush anime. And they've got a section that is literally just, well, it's all anime. But they've got a whole section that's available for free down here. And this one's changed weekly, actually. So that currently, this is what they have available. City Hunter, My Little Monster, Samurai Troopers, Sherlock Hound, Hajime no Ippo, and this stuff changes weekly, so there's always something new and fresh for you to watch. So these next two selections of websites are a little bit on the weaker side, which is why they're at the end of the list. These are things like Astro.com, and they have a section that you can watch for free, and this is a rotating selection of different shows that changes month to month. However, there's not always anime, or at least not always good anime, that you would actually want to watch. So this literally just cycled over before I made this video. There were a few programs, including Demon Slayer, inside of here that you could watch for free, but now it's mostly just children's cartoon animation. But there's a lot of dramas and other shows that you can watch if that's what you're into, including some documentaries, bug and in nature and insect documentaries, and different crime dramas from the History Channel. So there's a whole bunch of stuff you can watch. But again, this stuff changes month to month, so I can't guarantee that what you even see now will be the same thing when you finally watch this video and check it out for yourself. Likewise, there's Asian Crush. They have a free section of stuff that you can watch for free. They also have a section of regular anime that you can check out, and it's funny how this works. If you actually click on it, they want you to subscribe to watch this if you click here at the top. However, if you just click through to their different actual player down here, it'll just start playing and won't even verify that you're a subscriber. So you can technically watch just about everything on their website for absolutely free, because a lot of this stuff used to be available completely ad supported. So if you click through and skip to this portion, you can watch the entire episode for free, and it just has the occasional ad pop up in the middle of it. Like you can see there's like a little thin orange line right here in the middle that represents a spot where an ad will pop up in the middle. So not technically very free. There is a free section on this website, but you can technically watch whatever you want. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been the top 6 websites that you can watch for free and legally because they're a premium service. If you're looking for a new premium service and you're not happy with Crunchyroll, a lot of these websites have a lot of anime that you can pay to watch. So if you're looking for something new, this might help you. Otherwise, good luck in finding a new favorite streaming website if yours recently went poof. Links are in the video description. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.